In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your location on your Shopify account. Getting your location set up properly is a crucial step in managing your inventory and ensuring smooth operations for your online store. Let's dive into it and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to access your Shopify account, so start by heading to your Shopify dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your store, and today it will be our starting point. Once you're in the dashboard, keep an eye on the left-hand column. Scroll all the way to the bottom where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new set of options where you can manage various aspects of your store. Next up, you'll need to locate the Locations tab within the Settings menu. It's usually situated on the left-hand side, just like before, so click on it. This section allows you to manage where you stock inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products in person. On the Locations page, you'll notice an option to Add Location. Click on this to start setting up a new location for your store. Once you've clicked Add Location, it leads you to a page titled Location Details. Here, the first thing to do is change the name of your location. You'll find a pen icon next to the Name section. Click on it and enter the name you'd like to assign to this new location. It could be anything that makes sense for you and your team. Perhaps a branch name or city location. After naming your location, click Done. This helps save your entry and apply changes as you go. The next step is similarly simple, adding an address to your location. You'll find another pen icon next to the address section. Click on it and enter the precise address for this particular location. Providing accuracy here ensures that your inventory and shipping details align perfectly. Once you've input the address details, don't forget to click on Save. It's a small but crucial step to ensure that your information is securely stored in your Shopify account. For the shipping address, make sure you select the address you've just entered. Ensuring these details match will aid in inventory management and shipping logistics. Finally, mark this address as valid by clicking the Mark as Valid option. This is a final confirmation step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Conclude the process by hitting Save once more, and just like that, you're done. That wraps up our guide on adding your location to your Shopify account. By following these steps, you ensure your store runs smoothly with accurate inventory and shipping management. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.